So rather explaining you about the theories of how to integrate AI with a classroom, I thought, why not integrate our classroom with AI? Okay. So before we go any further doing that, I thought maybe giving a little bit of introduction about AI itself would be good. The theories that we all hate. So artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, especially decision making. Okay. The examples could be understanding language, recognizing images. Remember this. If you want to try, I can share the link with you. Identification GitHub. Yeah, this one. If you want, this is a very basic tool, you can say, that you can upload your images to and do a simple classifying, almost like a Google image only for 3 images. Okay, Google Lens for only 3 images. What you do is you can have a video live feed, or what you can do is upload images from here, okay, and have 3 different classes. Let's say cat, dog, snake, maybe. Okay. Sorry, what was the joke about? Huh? Okay, what you do is you upload here images. Let's say from. Can I have so many images? I don't know. Anyways, what you can do is upload around 10 to 15 different images here, here, and here, and then you can predict what image it is about. You can try this. I'll share the link with the management. Right? They're using, I don't know, they have the source provided there, but it's basically no, they don't do it. So what they do is they generally have this computer vision, OpenCV. Do you know OpenCV? OpenCV. They generally use this. Okay, it is one of the tools that you can use to develop your own image classifiers. Okay, this could be one, or you can have your own library or data set. If I think I really provoked some the AI monster in you guys, there is this websites I'd like you to refer in case you want to learn more about AI, especially programming it. This guy, Andrew, NG, I think, or Eng, I don't know how they pronounce it. Andrew, he has this website. Yeah, like that's the good thing about this era, you know. Seeking knowledge and learning anything is almost free. Not exactly free, almost free. There are way too many online resources that you can refer to when it comes to learning AI, especially. And if you want, you can go into his GitHub and look for the source codes that he have provided. Okay, here. Anyways, that was one of the things. So understanding language, it requires human intelligence. Recognizing images, cat, dog, or whatever it is. I think all of us use this Google Lens sort of thing, right? Making predictions, yeah, one of the very I should say deceptive uses of AI. People try to predict the share market or cryptocurrency using AI, but most of the time they fail to do so. Because there are certain factors. I don't know how familiar you are with these terms, but there's something called linear and non-linear systems, right? Linear and non-linear systems. So the human life, yeah. How many of ever played PUBG? Yeah. Okay. So you are playing, let's say, snake ladder game. Okay, personally on your phone, just single player. What happens? Your performance completely defines how you're going to score, right? But when you're playing PUBG, performance of other players also determine how good or bad you'll be performing, right? That's like almost game theory that I'm explaining. Anyways, if anyone is interested, you might go through game theory if you want. So cryptocurrencies are not, yeah, it is likely very much dependent on the sharks that they call, but it also depends on the market value that they have, okay? It cannot be fully controlled. So predictions, that's why sometimes fail, but if it is a linear system that has a pattern, predicting patterns is so easy for AI, okay? In fact, I have few courses that I personally give, okay? I don't know online sources, but I have, in past, I had been giving classes on AI and machine learning. I don't know, maybe we can do if İnsanİziDerneği they schedule anything of such kind. Solving problems. In fact, there is this complex protein structure problems solved by AI. Should be one of the videos by Vitasim or something. Yeah, there's this thing. Any genetics engineer here? No? Okay, my bad. So they're trying to restructure or see how, I think I was referred to this one, in fact, Veritasium, right? One of the very, sorry? Yeah. Okay. So what they're trying to do is restructure protein, and this is one of the most complex problems that scientists have been facing, and AI helped them solve it because it has a pattern, right? So recognizing pattern is one of the easiest things for AI to do. Solving problems, and we all do these things, generating text, images, and audio, and video, and presentation, and this and that. The concept of generative AI, right? So I have a thing here. I don't know. Is it readable from where you are? I think it is, okay. So there are these very confusing terms that we often come to face. Basically, there are many, of course, but these three are the most common ones. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Very like almost a hair thin barrier between them that differentiate them. So artificial intelligence is the entire field that you can refer to when it comes to programming computers in a way that imitates human thinking or human intelligence. That's a whole general paradigm, you can say, or a field of study, you might say. Machine learning comes when you add some algorithms to it. Okay, it could be prediction or classifiers or you name it. Algorithms to incorporate intelligence into machine by automatically learning from data. Algorithms and deep learning is algorithms that mimic human brain to incorporate intelligence into machine. In short, deep learning introduced the concept of artificial neural networks. Okay. Now, that being said, I want you to predict or maybe make some guesses. When was artificial intelligence first introduced into the literature? Don't search it. Friend of you, but don't search it. Okay. Really. Any guesses? When was first time the word or the term artificial intelligence coined? We hear it a lot these days, right? Any guesses? When was it? Make a wild guess. 1970s. Any other guess? 1985. Any other guesses? 69. The year they went to moon, right? Any other guesses? Something from this side, please, come on. This side has been way much side. 60. Yeah. In fact, that is very close. It was almost in 50s that Alan Turing first coined the term thinkable machines or machines that can think. Okay, and then comes McCarthy, who says artificial intelligence, and then the process continues, okay? But when you come to 70s, you see the winter of AI. The winter of AI, as in almost everything stopped. And if you're interested, you might take a note about XOR problems. Yeah, the computer guys. I want to ask you, what is XOR? Yeah, exactly. Let me give you one worldly example, okay? You go to cafeteria, and in the food, you have two different drinks, let's say, okay? It could be water, or it could be, I don't know, orange juice, maybe. So the guy there, the one attending the counter, he says, you can take either water or juice. Does that mean you can take both of them? Only one of them, right? Any one of them. This exactly is XOR. Okay? If both of them are true, it's not true. If both of them are false, it's also not true, okay? It can be true only when one of them is true. So you take either water or the juice. That's XOR problem. So if you pay attention to this structure here, you can see input comes from one node. There's a node here, there's a node here, there's another node here, and there's the output, right? So input comes from one, and another input comes from one. Both of them are summed up here. The input from this comes, the input from this comes, they are summed here, and then you get the output, right? Right? So that's XOR. Keep the structure in your mind. I'll show you something. Keep the structure in your mind. Remember, okay, the inputs, then they are summed up, then gives the output. And I'll show you now. Okay. Let me search for something smaller. Maybe this? Yeah, 3 inputs. Does the structure seem similar? The inputs are there, and then there is this calculation layer, and then you have your outputs, right? So by the advent of let me rephrase that, when XOR problem was solved during 70s, or let's say the computers in 70s, when they could solve this problem, they had a boom in AI. Now they are talking and they are researching about if it is cat or dog, if it is a man or woman, and so on and so forth, okay? In fact, you can search for, there are so many black and white, okay, from the times when the movies used to be still black and white. There are so many videos that you can refer to how AI researchers were done back then. That being said, let's continue with our topic, because we have a website to make. Oh my God, we have very less time remaining. So, and we have, this is generally the process, how you train an AI. We collect a lot of data. We collect a lot of data. If someone comes to you and asks, let's make such and such AI model based on such and such algorithms, the first thing you're going to ask them, do you have a supportive data for that? Okay? So you have a data, or data set you might say, then you clean the unnecessary parts. For example, let's say the length of the mice or rats found in this building is 2 centimeters. Calculate how much rain it's going to happen in the month of June. Is there any relation between that? No, right? So what you do, you clean your database with something more relevant, okay? And then you train and tune. Not all models would work perfectly or as per your requirement. So what you do is you train them and then you also tune them. And then when you see that you have the required output in your hands, you deploy it, and then you use it either as ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok or Cloud, you name it, okay? That being said, let's continue with the workshop. Okay, shall we? Sorry? We are already late, I think. We are waiting for a few of our friends here. We should have already finished it by 2. I think we can extend 2 or 3 more minutes. 15 minutes max from now, okay? Let's say, or making a website in 15 minutes. Quite a challenge. Okay, who are we designing it for? Come on, public, let's say, okay? We are showing our to public. The challenge completed in 15 minutes, right? What should the website do? Introduce what? Erasmus? Okay, details of Erasmus event. Good enough? Okay. What kind of website should we create? What should? Okay, information page or portfolio, you might say. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Did you guys upload? Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I put a timer? Yeah. Let's have that adrenaline rush, right? Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. 15 minutes started. Oh, what was I going to do? Okay, here we come. I think we start a new chat. How about we make it things like, hey, chat GPT, do this and that, right? We can do that, but let's try to write it. We are a group of young guys trying. Sorry, the link of the website. We are not going to host it right now. You're hosting it? Okay, he's hosting it. Really? Okay, we'll do that. So, okay. We have so many hosting guys. Sorry. Okay, we are running out of time. So, give me the prompt. Give me the prompt. We are a group of guys trying to publicize. Come on, trying to make our event go public, viral. Okay, viral. So help us create a website containing details and portfolio of the event that we recently organized at Rami Kütüphane. Okay, what was the event about? Future skills, yeah. Future skills organized in collaboration with EU, Erasmus, İnsanİziDerneği, I think. That, and there's another one. What's that? What was another one? European Institute or something? European Institute up and a whole bunch of beautiful people from all over the world. Okay, by the time it does that, let's get our new project. Yeah. When it does that, let me come here, personal. İnsanİzi, where are you? İnsanİzi. Yeah. Workshop is index, let me say that. Index or the content. Which has name it. Come on, give me a name. Index. Okay, index is selected. Sorry. Let's create a file. We only have 12 minutes remaining. Let's create a file. What is that? Main.html, let's say. Okay. We did that. Okay. It's still thinking. Come on. Yeah. Let me get the files downloaded. Did you upload the files there? Oh my god. No files there. Did you share the link from management? İnsanİzi management. Did you share the link? Okay. You guys got the link? You have? So you don't want to share anything there? Any image or video about the event that you want it to be featured on the website, please do it. Yeah, but we can put maybe a place called gallery, and we deposit everything there. We will do it. We will do it. Yeah. Come on. If you want anything to be featured there, I think it is not working. Yeah, how about And I have Gemini. I think it's not working because of the internet. Too slow. Okay, we have something here. Yay. By the way, do you know about Figma? Figma? Yeah, everyone knows that. And Figma has like from image to web page. You know that? Yeah. Give me an HTML file for the skeleton of the website. I don't have all the dependencies downloaded, so I think putting everything in HTML would be a better option. You can do that, right? Yay, we have something. The colors that we love. Huh? Really? My bad. Where are we? It's still thinking. Come on. ChatGPT. I think we have it. Okay. Oops. Okay, we come here. Index. That's our website, okay, guys? We'll upload it. Okay. Where the world meet the future. Bridging borders, building skills, and shaping don't know what. Okay, so we have the setup and all the things. If you put on the images, we can share it here. Now we just had the bare minimum, okay? That's the website we created with bare minimum. Now, how about, yeah, we can put EU logos here. Do you guys have the logos of the partners? We can search for it, yeah. EU logo. EU logo. Yeah, we can do that, by the way. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's do this. Okay, we try to edit our code from here, okay? Now, yeah, thank you. You do that, okay? Out of courtesy, you have to be nice so that someday, if AI really takes over the world, they'll remember you. This guy thanked me, right? Thank you. That's a whole different perspective. We can discuss about that. Yeah, people, you know, everything is debatable in this world. People, can you imagine people debate that biryani is not the best food in the world? Can you imagine? Thank you for the code, but I want you to search for the partners online and replace the blank spaces that you had put for the logos to be replaced with appropriate images, let's say. Huh? Yeah, that's, I think, prompt you need to do. And let's see what it does. If not, we'll re-edit it. Okay. Yeah. Let me copy it. Let me copy the folder itself and put it here in the drive. Oh, there are already something over there. Where? This one? But this is just your name, I guess, right? Your website. Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay, we have our website here. Let's see. Here. It's still oh my god. Oh my god. see here? Can you see? It took a little while. But yeah, it has done something. Anyways, let's continue from the place that we started. By the way, if you want, you can do this version control using GitHub and so. I'm not going to do that. Come here, paste. Let's see if it's working any. That was yours. Yeah. Oh, it couldn't find appropriate. Oh, see the effect it has put. The Erasmus Plus logo. It couldn't find Erasmus Plus logo. Anyways, do we get the point that you can do it within? Okay. How about we put here? Okay. put a navigation pane to the top of the website and add tabs such as, okay, what tabs do we want? Homepage? What will be our tabs? Homepage, gallery, projects and events. What else? About us. Yeah, okay. Let's see what else do we have on our folder. Just these images? Just this? Okay, we just have 2 minutes. What is it about? Let's check. Who submitted this? Nice. Great work. Okay, let's see what it has done. I think it has completed it. Okay. But the problem is, why is it not loading even from... Okay, now see here, what we just did is, we added homepage and gallery, right? We added projects and events and about us, so that we can easily navigate to that. In short, we added a navigation pane to our website. Our time is almost over. I think you have had a little bit of overview of how we can add AI into our daily life, especially in education. You may use for researches. You can use Notebook LM, and Cloud. It's basically known for its coding skills, right? And there is also Copilot, I think, because Copilot is basically built over GitHub, so it gives Anyways, there's this one is about to be turned off, okay? But it will be ending this month, but you can use it, yeah. They have another alternative already developed for this. This was like the first generation. There is Suno, by the way. You know Suno? Suno is a Hindi word for listen. Okay? Yeah. Here, now you put on the instruments. Okay? You put on the instruments, and all you have to do is, like, if you're interested in fusion music and so, you will be creating it like within seconds. And maybe, okay? What? Okay. What? S? E-S. Okay. I think it won't put the voice there. It will just put... And you can also manage the intensity there. Okay? Okay. I wish I had more time to share whatever I knew. More, I think, until, I don't know, up to when. It was really nice interacting with you guys. I hope at least a bit of whatever I knew I was able to share with you. It was really nice meeting you all. Thank you very much.